Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today for Tiffany Baby TV, the New Year's Eve edition. That's right, baby. It is the last day of 2019 as I am currently filming this, so I'm hoping that so far you are enjoying 2020, babe. But today I have some New Year's Eve ready, party ready, special occasion, blinged out hair for you. Are you ready? I need you to hit that subscribe button before we get started, and I'm going to tell you all the tea and let you watch me work. So today we're going to be talking about Bling. Bling is a new Zury Sis unit. She is a long, curly, beautiful unit, and she has something a little bit special about her. She has a bling part. So these are rhinestones that are running down the center of that part. This unit is definitely unique. It is probably not something that I would reach for on an everyday basis, but for New Year's Eve or for a special occasion or my birthday, this is perfect. And this is what she looks like. There is that bling part. Bling has two combs in the front. She has a center part down the middle. She has one comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. These curls are just so beautiful. This texture is really nice so far. It's definitely not silky, which I can appreciate. I think that that will help with the tangling. As you can see, I do have my wig grip on, so I'm going to skip the got to be glued tonight. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. All right, so straight onto my head. This is Bling. I'm not getting any shedding. And I'm not really getting any tangling. I'm getting some snags down towards the end, but I really like this. This is all of the hair pulled to the front. She is very long. She is coming to about waist length, so maybe not too long. I would say she's probably a good 26 inches. Here's what that part looks like up close. And it does seem that this is removable, but if you were to remove these jewels, and it's a strip of jewels. If you were to remove that, you could easily pull these off, but you won't be able to put them back on. Here she is from the side. Now I really like these curls the way that they came out of the package, so I really don't want to do too much to them, but I do want to see just for you guys what they look like brushed out. So I'm going to use this comb just to comb through them very gently. And this is what it looks like all combed out. And this side has been finger fluffed, but has not been combed out. Those waves and curls are beautiful, right? This unit does have baby hairs on it all around the perimeter. They are very, very long. It also had lace, which I did go ahead and cut off before I started filming just to save some time, but you can absolutely glue this down if that's something that you want to do. I feel like an Indian princess in this, you guys. That's exactly how I feel. I feel like I should go get some henna on my hand and have a beautiful gown on. This is just giving me... So this came from the beautynation.shop. You guys know I'm a lover and an advocate of Beauty Nation. So if you don't know about Beauty Nation, I'm going to need you to go ahead and get in tune. I will leave a direct link down in the description box for you so that you can pick this unit up. This beautiful holiday sleigh retails for $31.99. So head on over to the Beauty Nation, pick up Bling. I have her in the color 1B. I don't think I mentioned that. And it is a lot darker than the 2 that I really like. So maybe that's lending to the Pocahontas vibes that I'm getting. So I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. I appreciate you and all of the time that you spent watching Tiffany Baby TV in 2019. If you're new and you haven't already subscribed, hit that button so that you can come slay with me in 2020, babe. I'm going to keep dropping affordable bangers for you guys, and I'm going to keep giving you guys tips and tricks on how to slay. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, loves.